In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Wells Fargo mobile app. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can sign up to use the mobile banking services for Wells Fargo and also the online banking functionalities by downloading the app from the Play Store or the App Store. So look for the Wells Fargo mobile app, and after you download it, you can set up a username and password as long as you are registered within a Wells Fargo bank. If your bank account is properly working, verified, you will get the option to set up a username and password the first time that you run Wells Fargo on your device. Inside of the Wells Fargo mobile app, you will find all the functionalities that you would find in a branch. So you have the option to manage your accounts, see your balance, see all the details like the transit number, account number, manage your credit score, and you have other functions like depositing checks into your balance. You will find all the usual pay and transfer options, so you can transfer money to other Wells Fargo or other bank accounts, and everything can be managed through the app. It makes it very convenient to use and manage your account, and as long as you download the latest version of the app from the Play Store or the App Store, it is very easy to set up. Make sure that the app is up to date running the latest version available, and you will see all of the features of the Wells Fargo Bank available in there. Like I said previously, you can also sign into online banking, and all these similar options will be available. In the Explore tab, you have other options, and this will guide you through the app. You can see everything and all the functions included, and if you need any additional help, you do have the option to contact their customer service directly through the menu. But the app is very intuitive and easy to use. Just set up a username and password and enroll to use Wells Fargo Mobile. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Wells Fargo mobile app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.